In today's video, I will show you a new product on Redbubble and the niches you should get in with this new product to get fast sales. But before we get right into the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe, because on this channel I like to talk all about the print-on-demand business model and really showing you my journey along the way to creating this side hustle. So, what is the new product on Redbubble and why I'm so excited about it? Every year, Redbubble is coming with a new product you can put your designs on. And this year, they introduce us to hats. And according to me, this is a huge opportunity. Don't worry, I will teach you why is this a huge opportunity and show you the best niches to use for selling hats on Redbubble. As I already mentioned, hats are a new product on Redbubble and they are coming in two variants, baseball caps and dead hats. Each variant comes with a different range of colors. The baseball caps have 4 default colors: black, dark gray, light gray and navy. The dead hats, on the other hand, comes in 5 colors: black, white, slate gray, beige and navy blue. To be able to sell hats on Redbubble, you need to manually activate them in your portfolio. And this is one of the main disadvantages of using Redbubble. To activate hats, you need to go to each design one by one and manually activate it for each of your design. For creators that have lots of design on Redbubble, as I have, this means an hour of boring work. But because I think hats are offering a huge opportunity right now, I need to undergo this. The reason why I think hats are huge and can lead to potential fast sales is simple. Google loves Redbubble, and when Redbubble is coming with a new category, like hats in this example, it will immediately index the category and place it on the #1 page of Google search for term hats. So, put your existing or new designs on a hat, and if you followed one of my previous videos about SEO optimized titles and descriptions, then you have a huge chance to get on the first page of Google. To get even more chances to get sales, you should find a niche with low competition. I know this is not easy, but it is still doable. Let's go to Redbubble, click on the hats category, and then type motivational quotes. This is a huge and competitive keyword, and as you see, it has over 20,000 results. Don't go for such keywords. There is a minimal chance to get sales. Niche down. Use Redbubble suggested tags, click on them and check out the results. See, I found something. Growth mindset. Just only 500 results. This is a great opportunity. With only 500 results, there is a realistic chance to get on the first page on Redbubble for this keyword. And this can lead to a better Google ranking of your listing and more sales. At the beginning of the video, I promise you to show 5 interesting niches you can jump to and get some sales. The first niche is a category full of passionate buyers. While the animal niche is oversaturated, and I don't recommend creating design for this category, a keyword 4-legged friend is a good opportunity. At the time of this video, it has only around 200 results, and you can easily target cat or dog lovers, and not only them. Lots of animals have 4 legs, so use your imagination. Another super niche is coffee. I like to create designs for coffee lovers. They like to buy funny coffee quotes. The keyword "bring me some coffee", which is without a trademark, like all the keywords I will show you, comes with only few dozen results. Act fast and create some interesting design for this keyword. You should get rewarded. Books, another huge niche, and targeting book lovers is always a good idea. The keyword here is book nerd, and with only 400 results, it can be interesting to see if you can get some sales. The last, but hugely popular, is World's Best category. You know, the world's best dad mom designs. But when you use your imagination, replace the dad or mom with profession or some hobby, you will easily find some interesting keywords. In this example, let's check the world's best angler with only 400 results. This is a fishing niche, and you should try to get in this niche. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the NechEmpire YouTube channel.